Our quality conveyor, processing, power transmission, and flat belts are almost everywhere, ensuring that your daily life runs smoothly. Forbo keeps the world running, connecting flows of goods and people at airports and factories, postal hubs, and printing companies. The next time you're sweating on a treadmill in the gym, the chances are that it's our belt that's keeping you in shape. Top-grade synthetic belts require a number of raw materials. Choosing the best of these materials is the key to our superb product quality, professionalism, and reliability. Forbo is trusted for the excellence of its materials and systems, the depth of its experience and expertise, and the strength of its innovation processes. We monitor our processes at every stage to ensure that our products meet the particular requirements of customer applications. With our employees' knowledge and expertise, we not only react to our customers' present needs, we anticipate their future requirements. We set high standards of quality and environmental compatibility. With our innovative technologies, we optimize resource use and reduce emissions. Forbo, a global leader in flooring, bonding, and movement systems.